Hello, in this video I'll show you how to fix payment method declined on Facebook. Now it's an extremely easy process. So what you have to do is firstly open your Chrome, then just simply go to your Facebook. After that, when you're in your Facebook, just simply go to this option or just simply click on the see more option right over here and then click on Ad Manager. Now, once you're inside your Ad Manager, what you have to do is firstly go to your settings. So click on this All Tools option. Now after that, go to Billing and Payment. Now, wait for a few seconds and inside Billing and Payments, go to the Payment setting. And inside the payment setting, you will have your payment method right over here that is giving you an issue. So what you have to do is, if your payment method is giving you issue, then just simply remove that payment method and re-enter that payment method. So click on Add Payment Method and then just simply re-add the payment method. Now it could be a PayPal or debit card depending on what you use. Just simply again redo the entire process and you should not face the issue. Now let's say if you're unable to completely link your payment method with Facebook, so in that case what you have to do is you have to just simply contact the Facebook support team, explaining them the situation that you are facing, and then they will take a look at your account because there might be some type of issue with your ad account. Like for example, your account might be banned or restricted, and if any of the restrictions are active while you're trying to actually add the payment method, you will always fail. So just simply contact the support team and they will let you know if your account is restricted or not. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.